Mkhalela Uphakela Mthakati, people are not happy after seeing few pictures that are currently trending. Guys, people are not happy with Uphakela Mthakati. They have lost all the love and trust they had on him. Uphakela Mthakati and Ngizi meeting with the president Cyril Ramaphosa has left a bad smell on them. For Uphakela Mthakati, it get even worse. He's seen alone amongst the leaders and powerful businessmen of the Muslim who are known for being against the match and match Jessica Mango versus Zuma. So people are saying, oh, no man, something is going on in Uphakela Mthakati, guys. Uphakela Mthakati had a meeting with the members of the Muslim community, guys. Uphakela Mthakati is attending meeting with the foreigners alone. So today Uphakela Mthakati, he's doing a damage control, guys. He posted a picture. You can see Jessica Mango versus Zuma. She's also on the picture. So people are saying, oh, it means that Uphakela Mthakati and Jacinta, they've now fixed the things they were fighting for, guys. So just remember when Uphakela Mthakati and Ngizi had a meeting with President Cyril Ramaphosa, people were busy tagging Jacinta Mango versus Zuma, saying, do you know anything about this? Exactly on the 30th of June 2026, Jessica came out to say, I know nothing about this, guys. You know, I'm even surprised like the rest of you guys. This is the first time I see a picture Ngizi and Uphakela Mthakati together with the president of Cyril Ramaphosa. So now they're asking themselves, Jessica, it means that she has forgiven his brother Uphakela Mthakati. So people are saying, if I was Jacinta Mango versus Zuma, I would play far away from Uphakela Mthakati and Ngizi because they cannot be trusted at all, guys. So people are saying a lot of stuff. What do you think about it? Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment, say happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.